Hello teachers, this video will demonstrate how a teacher can create an assignment in their Infinite Campus gradebook. So once you've logged onto your campus account, make sure you're on your instruction side and then click on your gradebook tool. Once you're inside of your gradebook tool, then you will want to make certain that you are on the correct term, the correct section, and the correct grading task. Then you'll need to click on the plus add button. Next, you'll need to give the assignment a name. I'm going to call this Shelley Test. I'm going to give it an abbreviation of ST. Every assignment has to have an abbreviation. You have up to 5 characters. It's being applied to my 2071 class, and it defaulted it with this assignment and due date. The assigned and due date are defaulted to the current date or the beginning of the term. The due date is real important because that drives what quarter or semester the assignment will end up in. If I want to add additional courses that will receive this assignment, I can click on the Add Remove button and come in here and add this history class and then say OK. And now it's going to be applied to these 2 classes. Category, it's going to be applied to the assignments category. If I had additional categories, I could go select the correct one there. And now I have to give it a point value, and I'm going to say it's worth 100 points. I'm going to save it. And then at this point, I could go ahead and close. And you see that my Shelley test is in my gradebook now and available for me to score. I'm going to click back on this abbreviation. And instead of closing it, I'm going to say score. And I want to use this interface to score. So I could come in here and say I want all of my students to get a 100 because it was a class participation assignment. Click on fill, it gives it to everybody. I could also go in and fill comments. So I could come in and type great job and click fill, or I could go in and give individual comments, just however you want to do that. There's also flags here that you can use. The default one is turned in, but there are also others you can use. The missing will give a missing flag and calculate it in as 0. The exempt will not calculate it into the student's average. So there's other flags in there that you can use. If you want to use the missing report in your gradebook, you'll need to make sure that you're using the missing flag. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. And now I want to close this score interface and close this assignment detail, and you'll see that that 100 got populated in on this student. So this is how a teacher can create and score an assignment in their Infinite Campus gradebook.